Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see how gray code is converted to binary code and binary code is converted to gray code. Now you'll be given a gray code like 1011 and you have to find out the equivalent binary of that. Now what are the rules or what are the steps? Remember that the MSB, that is the most significant bit, that is the leftmost bit of a binary number, will be equal to the MSB of the given gray code. That is, now this in this example 1010, this is a gray code. This is your MSB, this is your LSB. Now you have to generate a binary code. So this MSB will be just copied down same as the MSB of the binary number. Next, add each binary code bit generated to the gray code bit in the next adjacent position, and you have to discard the carries. Now, while doing the addition, keep in mind the rules. These are the binary addition rules. We will see in detail next uh, further classes. Okay, what are these rules? But you just remember this table. That is, you have two inputs, 0. So since there are two inputs, there will be four combinations because it is 2 raised to 2 combinations. So 2 raised to 2 is 4. So 2 inputs, 2 raised to 2 combinations, which is equal to 4 combinations. So you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now there is a sum and there is a carry. So 0 plus 0 is 0, no carry. 0 plus 1 is 1, no carry. 1 plus 0 is 1, no carry. But the last one is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. You have to apply these rules here. Now, let's see the example. 1010 is a gray code and you have to convert it into a binary. Now, MSB has to be copied as it is. So this one comes here. Now, this one has to be added with the next gray code. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. There is a carry, but you have to, I said what? Discard the carries. We are not interested in these carries, ignore them. So 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So this is a binary equivalent 1 1 0 0. Next is the reverse, that is binary to gray conversion. Again, your MSB of the gray code will be same as that of the binary number. So now you will be given a binary number like 1100. It is the same last example. It is 1100. Now just copy the MSB. So 1 will come here and now you're going to make a gray code. Now you have to, going from left to right, add each adjacent pair of binary code bits to get the next gray code bit. Discard the carries. Now in this case you have to keep on adding horizontal. Binary number you have to keep on adding horizontal. First copy the MSB. Now 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. So the gray code is 1010. Clear? Now next conversion we'll see is BCD to binary and binary to BCD. What is the full form of BCD? BCD is binary coded decimal. In this what we do is the each digit is represented as 4-bit equivalent binary number. Now let's see the first conversion, that is BCD to binary conversion. What is the first step? You convert a BCD number to a decimal number, and then second step is convert a decimal to binary. This we have already studied. Now let's take an example and see. Convert 00101001 in the bracket and subscript is BCD. This is not a binary number. It is a binary coded decimal number, meaning it is a coded and it is not a plain binary, it is not a straight binary, it is called as a straight binary. Okay, you have to convert this BCD number to a straight binary number. So what you do, you take the BCD number. Now you have to convert it into first decimal number. How do you do? BCD, you know that BCD number is what? It's a combination of four digits. So group them in 4 4. So it is 0 0 1. 0 is 1 and 1 0 0 1. So I'm just separating it out to identify what decimal it is. So 0 0 1 0 is 2 in decimal and 1 0 0 1 is 9. So it is actually 29 in decimal. So I have converted my BCD number into a decimal number. You can refer the table or you can just find it out. Okay, 9 binary is 1001. Now, this 29, you directly convert it into a binary number. How you do it? That is divide by 2 method. We have learnt in the conversion lecture. So now this 29 has to be converted into binary. So you will get divide by continuously divide by 2 till you get 0 and write from down to top. So you will get 1 1 1 0 1 base 2. Next is binary to BCD conversion. Now this is a reverse one. Now a binary number will be given to you. You first convert that number into a decimal number. Now it's a reverse procedure. Convert it into a decimal, that is assign the weights for, or it is assign the index and then make the weights, add the weights, multiply and add them. So 1 1 1 0 1 is your 29 in decimal. 29 is taken, and you know that BCD coding, each decimal, each digit is represented with the 4-bit binary. So 2 you write it as 0010, 9 you write it as 1001. So this is, and then just combine them. So it's a continuous number 00101001. It's a BCD number. So this is just an table which shows a decimal number from 0 to 9 and equivalent BCD numbers. So I had told you that in the BCD only 10 symbols are used, that is from 0 to 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is not used because it's a combination of again these symbols. And this is as usual the gray code. Gray code is what? That is each successive code, gray code differs by from the previous by just a 1 bit. Thank you.